Eating City is a think tank where we invite people to share vision about food service and food system into the city, because in the years to come, around 70% of world population will live in urban settlement, and cities, special metropolitan cities, have to face a big challenge to manage the flow for food and to manage the city metabolism related to the food. Il pranzo sostenibile, the sustainable meal, was a project launched in 2005 for the pupils of the Italian school, and the idea and the project was related to show to the pupils the chain, the supply chain, the entire supply chain of food that they eat in the school canteen, and starting from the farm to fork, and including also the waste management system, creating compost, and so making a circular economy and with a systemic vision approach system. And I think that Valencia now is playing a very nice and very important role in defining new food system for the city. Valencia is the world food capital for 2017. And during these events and the events in the months to come, I think there will be space for dialogue, reflection, proposal, and I see so many nice ideas coming with a bottom-up approach during this meeting, and I think it was really enriching the participants, and personally I get a very nice feeling and a nice experience from this. But I think that Valencia should be an example to follow for many European cities. Of course, cities that are in the same morphological assets, I mean, close to the seaside, with rural space nearby the city. But should be really the capital, not only the World Food Capital on 2017, but should become the capital of the Mediterranean basin for really a new food system based on Mediterranean diet. I think that the main legacy of the Milan Food Policy Pact is the pact. I mean, is the fact that one day, 2015, during Expo 2015 in Milano, there was more than 100 mayors from all over the world that they joined in Milano and they signed an engagement to build up a new food system for their city and for the citizen. Of course, it's a pact. We need to give legs to this pact. We need to give aim to do something different, I mean, to shift in a concrete action. And I think that Valencia is the perfect place and the perfect example to follow.